Hello, welcome back. So yeah, I did cut my hair, but I'm also having a terrible migraine. Were you spoiled as a child? Did your parents give you everything you asked for? I was pretty pampered myself. I did get a lot of things, but only for special occasions like birthdays and Christmas because you want your child to learn the value of earning things themselves, right? You want them to have an ambition and get a job they're good at once they grow up. Well, from the post today, I've gathered that there are parents out there who suck at parenting so much that they don't even understand the concept of positive reinforcement. They just keep giving out stuff to their kids even when they're not being that good. And of course, then these kids go on social media and constantly flex about it, which gets on everyone's nerves. It's not subtle, I swear it's not. So yeah, let's just get on with the video. We ran out of plates, and so we're using a third generation iPad to use as plates. And we put it on social media because we need you guys to know. We want to prove a point that you can't afford to do this, but we can because we're so rich. What bothers me more than these guys using iPads as plates is that you guys are using forks and knives to eat pizza. That's just offensive on some other level, at least to me. I hate my backyard. I totally get what you mean. How can your parents embarrass you like this? Because of course you can't afford to do this yourself, but how do you sleep at night knowing something that is not even appealing in the slightest is just sitting at the back of your house? A beach would have been fine, but this? The bushes need to be trimmed, the jacuzzi is way too small, the pool is a weird odd shape, even the waterfall. New tablecloth. Because you haven't lived until you've had a meal on a bed of money. I don't get the point of this. I don't even see how this is flexing. Because I feel like any of us can do this just for a picture, right? We can just bring out a bunch of cash from our cupboard or whatever and just lay it out, put our plates and cutlery on top, take a picture and just put them all back in. What is the point of this? Can someone just care to explain? I really don't get it. Biggest bar receipt I've ever seen. You mean longest? Honestly, I've seen longer ones. Really. If you go on a night out with rich South Bombay kids, especially on a Friday or Saturday, you will see receipts that are longer than a 6-foot person. True story. Fifth home, the smallest of all. Ooh, yeah. That is a tiny villa, I'm assuming. But your front yard is the beach, so maybe you can ask your parents to compensate by getting you a giant cat. And then your cat will have its own litter box, the beach. A giant litter box. Look, I'm not familiar with all this. I'm just trying to help you out, okay? Throw me a bone here. I asked for a yacht, but okay, thanks Dad. I guess 2 Rolex watches will have to do for now. Are these even Rolex watches? I'm not sure. You can barely see the brand name. I'm assuming they're Rolex because of the way they're blinged out. Which brings me to another point actually. Why would rich people who always want to appear classy and sophisticated want tacky watches such as these that are bejeweled to the max? I don't get it. I wouldn't even want them if someone offered them to me for free. Or maybe I would and then pawn them off. Toilet paper at school. I'm guessing this is one of those elite private schools in the first world countries where only the rich kids can go. You know, the ones who come from a very reputable family background. Yeah. But you already do have a toilet paper roll in there. So did you just take your fat stacks and put them on top just to take a picture and prove a point? Cool. Someone doesn't want to walk to school. So I guess this is from a regular, normal person's point of view. But regardless, whoever this is must want a grand entry every day at school. Does your school even have a helipad, dude, at the top of the building? Why do you need to be so extra? You must be extremely conventionally unattractive for you to be validated this bad. I feel sorry for you, man. Treats for starting summer reading. So you got a MacBook Pro, a MacBook Air and 2 iPhone 5Ss as gifts for choosing to study during your summer break. Cool. My parents would give me an ice cream. Why to go to the zoo to touch snakes? First of all, go to school and stop making me stutter from trying to read your caption. But second of all, yeah, why do you need to go to the zoo to touch a beautiful live snake when you can touch the one that has been slaughtered to make your beautiful shoes? Makes sense. Breakfast of champions, hashtag caviar pancake. Alright, listen. I may not be coming from an extremely rich family, but even I know that caviar and pancakes don't go together unless it's a savory one like a blini bar. This one clearly is not because you can see some blueberries in there. So don't assume that by putting a few dollops of caviar on your pancake, we're just gonna be so jealous of you just because it's a fancy delicacy. Alright, you look stupid. Shopping with daddy. Decisions. All these Lamborghinis waiting for you to take them home. Wait, by daddy, did you mean father or sugar daddy? Who cares? Same deal. Go for the red one, it matches with your ass. And the black one, it matches with your soul. No umbrella, get out the MacBook Pro. Yeah, why not? It is not water resistant, but your dad will buy you another one. No problem, no issues. Look, I'm not a funny person. I don't have a lot to say about it, but all I know is that I detest these kinds of people. Hate being sick. Oh, poor baby. That's just sad. Grab a couple more of these dollar bills tissues. I'm not sure if they're dollars, but whatever. You just seem like the kind of person who's gonna be drooling and snorting everywhere. So grab a couple more boxes of your parents' money. Just wiping my ass. No big deal. I'm not even gonna try to attempt to do a British accent, but just imagine how the Queen would feel if she came across this Snapchat post of this random person wiping his ass with a currency note with her face on it. Speaking of Her Majesty the Queen, she casually decided to drop by at this person's private school. What do you say to that? I don't know. Take the iPhone for a... Okay, it's getting ridiculous now. It's not making sense anymore. It wasn't making sense to begin with, but now it's getting out of hand. So I'm just gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. It definitely aggravated my migraine. So thank you for that, bit spoiled kids. Anyways, so if you want more reaction videos, let me know in the comments below. And if you watched this far, comment Apple. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.